Alright, now I got a customer's car here that he said that the heat's not working. So what I'm gonna do is start the car and go on the passenger side. He said the blower isn't working. So what I'm gonna do now is check it. See, as I turned it up, it's up all the way, and you guys don't hear anything coming out the blower. There's supposed to be like a sound blowing out. There's nothing blowing out of it. So that means there's something wrong with the blower motor. So what I did was, I got the blower motor. I took the blower motor out of the vehicle, and what I did was I took this out. This is the connector that goes to it, the power and the ground. What I did was I disconnected this. I took out the blower motor. I have another video showing how to replace the blower motor. So basically what it is the issue that he's having is like I said, the blower motor's not coming on, but the heat is turning on, but the blower motor's not turning on to blow the heat in. So what I did was I unplugged the blower motor, went under the hood and jumped it from the two terminals that are inside of the connector. I jumped it and the blower motor turned on. It started spinning. So that means the blower motor is good. That means that it works. So what I did was I thought to myself, all right, if the blower motor works, it has to be whatever's powering the blower motor that's giving it the issue. So what powers the blower motor is the blower motor resistor. What this does is it slows down the amount of electricity that goes into it, but these are known to go bad on the Acuras and stuff like that. So what I did was I took the blower motor resistor out of my car, out of my TL, and put it in the customer's car, and then I turned it on. I went back and turned the heat thing back on for the switch, and what happened was the blower came on. So it was the resistor. What this does is, like, if you have an intermittent, how do I explain this? If you have an intermittent where the blower motor turns on here and there and it turns off and on by itself, I mean, not by itself, but it turns off and on, or the speed of it slows down by itself and things like that, then that's a blower motor resistor. Because what the customer explained to me was that he was having an issue where the blower motor, the first couple weeks it would go in and out, and then all of a sudden it just cut out and just stopped working. So I immediately knew, once he said that, I was like, I already knew it was a blower motor resistor. This is what powers the blower motor. This is what regulates the amount of electricity that goes into the blower motor. So what I did was I ordered a new one. Okay. This is a new one here. 79330-S6M-941. This is a blower motor resistor for the Acuras. Let me open this up. Okay, so basically this one is basically identical to the one that's in there right now. So what I'm going to do now is just turn the car off so there's no electricity going through it. Then I'm going to disconnect this one and then go from there. So the car's off right now. Okay, the way this sits is that this sits in here. It sits in a groove back here. Okay, it sits in a groove in the back here. And basically it's just two screws, 1, 2 to take out. Then you take out the two screws. Then you pull this out. Then it's a connector here. You press on the connector tab. So I'm going to go press on the tab and then disconnect it. Okay, so this is the one that I just pulled from the connector here. This is the old one. And then this is the new one. exactly identical. Old one, this is the new one. Lines up the same. So now I'm going to connect this one to the connector. It just slides in. Just going to slide this in. Flip this way. Snap it in. Okay, so now I'm gonna start the car and check the heat. You don't have to put it back in. You don't have to put it back in to check. All you have to do is just leave it out. You can still leave it out and then double check just to make sure. Start the car and then turn the blower on and see if it turns on. Alright, so I just started the car. And let's see if we get air. You hear that? It came on. The blower's on. Nice. Cold air, because the car's still cold. But you can feel a little heat coming through. Now it's working. So at the end of the day, it was the blow motor resistor that went bad, and replacing it had fixed the blow motor, and now it's working. That's it. So now I'm gonna go down there and bolt it back in and then catch back the video for you guys. So you just slide the cover, slide it back into the slot here, put the 2 screws back in. Slide it back into the slot, put the 2 screws back in, 1 and 2, and then you just tighten them down, and then you just put the undercover back on, and you're good to go. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Peace.